Hello everyone, it's me Cheppy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide the computer display screen with black or any other color in Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as multi-screen blank. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download now option. Now just select this latest release option. Now select any download link file. So I'm gonna download the affordable version, which is the .zip file. You can download the .exe file also. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now the first file you are seeing is the application. Just double click on it to run this software. Now just click on this I have read the above agreement and accept all its terms. Click on continue. Now you'll see the various options of this applications. So below you can see your settings option. So under the settings option, you can enable it all the time. When you turn on your computer, you can just turn it on if you want this application to start up when you turn on your computer. So right now I'll just keep it unticked, and next to it is a blanking. So you can select the animations, partial screens, shortcuts, updates, and about the application here. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application settings. And next to it is a new script. So you can just click on it and it will create a new script for you. And now you can increase also by just dragging from the each corner side. You can increase it, or you can just right mouse click on it and you can see here fill white. So the white of the display screen will be filled up, and just right mouse click on it again and select this fill height. Now it will completely hide the computer display screen with this black color. Just press and hold your left mouse button, and now you can see here you can just drag it and you can see the screen behind it. So let me place it again. You can see when the taskbar is being hidden, so I don't need to auto hide the taskbar also. And if you want to close it, just right mouse click on it and you can see here close and close it. The next option is freeze part of the screen. Just click on it and you can take a screenshot, and this part will get freeze. So you can see here I'll take a screenshot so I can hide it with the screenshots. So just right mouse click on it, click on close. Next option is mirror region. You can mirror the particular region also. And the last option here is the export current state as script, so you can export it also. And if you want to change the color of the respective script, then just right mouse click on it and you can see here color. So you can select the respective color, whichever color you want to select. Click on OK. So you can see you can change the color depending upon your needs. So by using this application MS multi-screen blank, you can easily hide the computer display screen with black or any other color in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.